De-extinction. Is it worth the efforts? Imagine mammoths roaming around the great present-day Ukrainian steppes or American prairies once again. You have heard me right. The very same mammoths which used to live here about 15,000 years ago alongside the tapirs and the steppe bisons. From one side, this may seem like science fiction or a new Jurassic World movie. Nevertheless, such a scenario may already become the reality. Earlier, the main question of de-extinction used to be, is it truly possible? But now it is it actually necessary for species preservation? On one hand, de-extinction can truly be beneficial for maintaining the stability of ecosystems. Its main idea is to return the ecological role which used to be carried out by the extinct animal. Moreover, such revival may also indirectly help preserve the current threatened species. For instance, while colossal biosciences are trying to resurrect the dodo bird, they have been able to improve genetic engineering technologies in birds and save pink pigeon from extinction due to the loss of diversity of its genes. On the other hand, ecosystems can be compared to a Jenga tower. If you move a brick or two, change its location, adjust its size, or remove it entirely, the tower will inevitably fall. Therefore, should we take such a risk and intervene in the irreversible changes in ecosystems through the reintroduction of extinct species, when humanity is the reason those animals became extinct, and knowing we still have not solved the roots of the problem? What is more, the cost of de-extinction should be mentioned. Apart from being utterly expensive, it also requires qualified human resources, in particular skilled experts in biology. Colossal Biosciences alone has received approximately $500 million in funding since its foundation, including from the United States government. These funds could have been used to protect the current threatened species and prevent their extinction in the first place. Furthermore, we cannot forget the threat of commercialization of genetic engineering and de-extinction in particular. Why do we hear so much about the most popular extinct species in the news, but very little about the other thousands of less known and less exotic, but also extinct animals? In my opinion, de-extinction can truly accompany the traditional methods of nature conservation. However, I strongly believe that bringing back a handful of species will never replace the preservation of animals which are threatened today. It is important for the humanity to do everything possible so that de-extinction will not be necessary. Thank you.